book, you do sort of talk a lot about the adoption of agile principles within the enterprise, and how it there's this concept now of SAFe, this scaled agile framework, which is a set of organizational workflow patterns for implementing agile in an enterprise. And yet you don't seem to be a big fan of SAFe. And
No.
can you run me through what it is you don't like about that framework, and what were you suggesting instead?
Sure. Well, if Scrum is getting pushback among software developers and people who are in a project that is run according to the Scrum recipe, SAFe is an enormous elaboration of Scrum. The official SAFe website has this absolutely horrifying 5-layer diagram right on the landing page that looks like the unholy result of the result of an unholy union of many PowerPoint decks in many different enterprises. And it's counterproductive, because Agile jargon, or the jargon that is accumulated around Agile, tends to isolate project teams. And if you try and push that jargon into all aspects of an enterprise, you're going to get a lot of pushback. You're going to get a lot of sniggering among people who know how to run that enterprise and know what they're doing, and don't really enjoy having a bunch of software guys trying to tell them how to run their enterprise differently. So, this is another reason why I wrote this book, is that by being able to strip Agile down to the principles and the fundamentals, and then understanding the way people in an enterprise run their business, that's going to be a much more fruitful way of spreading Agile software development practice through an enterprise.
Well, I mean, there are companies which are large enterprises as well as software developers, companies like Microsoft's, Google's, and Facebook's, and presumably have adopted agile principles in their software development. Are the same organizations adopting SAFe for their organizational practices?
No, notably they're not. So again, they're not even adopting the formalisms of Scrum or Kanban. Though they might be doing Scrum or Kanban in effect, right? So they might be doing iterations that kick off with a meeting and end with a retrospective. They might be continuously taking tasks off the to-do list and putting them into their workflow. But they're not doing Scrum or Kanban in a formal way. And much less would they be doing SAFe in a formal way.
Yeah, I mean, there can be enormous value being proven in spaces with shocking comparisons with insurance or car loans or let's talk about your conference. Was the conference